Probably one of the fastest Bullets on the East Coast. Okay, so this is my 2008 Bullitt Mustang I built. Just going to go over the specs a little bit. The interior's almost spotless, no tears, nothing. MGW Stage 2 or Gen 2 shifter, Wisco 10-to-1 pistons, Manley H-beam rods with ARP 2000 hardware. It has nitrided rings. It's a 2.3 TVS Roush blower with a VMP Twin 67 throttle body. It is still an aluminum block. The block was torque plate honed. Deck was surfaced. The heads have a mild port job on them. It has Pack Racing valve springs and Todd Warren custom blower cams. As far as everything else, it's got the iron chain tensioners and all new Ford components for timing. It also has MMR indexable crank gears, locked out cam phasers, ATI super balancer overdrive pulley. Everything's been converted to 8 rib. With that, I also did a Mach 600 XCD clutch, along with the matching lightweight flywheel. It has a Department of Boost Gen 2 GT450 intake to mount the blower. The transmission, we swapped from the TR3650 to a TR6060 out of a 2011 GT500, 26 spline. It's basically bulletproof. All the intercoolings run with 1.25" line. It has the bigger heat exchanger, the 1.25" fittings welded onto it. It has the Stewart EMP pump for that. Fuel systems, all S&H. Then all the peripherals. Anything else you could think about, this car has it. Viking shocks, 373 gears, Ford Racing aluminum drive shaft, drilled and slotted rotors all the way around. It's been professionally paint corrected and ceramic coated.